Oh wow, looks like there was a tiny person driving my truck. Teeny tiny person. Alright, let's get that changed. Whoa! Literally what I was just saying is I'm still getting used to the air suspension. I don't know why it decides it's going to kind of go up and down on its own. I was literally just leaning in and the truck all of a sudden started going down. But let's see, that's me. No, I don't want to remember. I want to restore. Oh, there we go. You guys have all seen this. Nothing big here. All right, so this video I want to show off this T-Wraps screen protector. It's supposed to be a 9H on the hardness scale, and I want to get this installed and make a video of installing it, kind of give feedback, so when you're installing it you know what to do, what not to do. And without further ado, let's go. I ordered this on the internet. I think it was on Amazon. T-Wraps, and it was 59 bucks, and it came in just a couple of days. So using this handy dandy knife I got from one of my rental properties, the people didn't pay me, they moved out, they left a bunch of garbage behind, so I was able to get this knife, and I used this knife to open all my boxes and my packages. So I guess I'm considering this an unboxing for the T-Wraps. Trying not to poke my eye out. I am sitting in the truck here. Alright, so let's see what comes inside. Whee, that looks cool. Oop, I'm dropping stuff everywhere. It's just a business card, no big deal. Alright, cool, so check this out. I feel good about this. I feel like it's designed specifically for the Rivian. There's a QR code, so I could probably scan it. There are probably videos behind that. PPF, door handles, they have it for everything. So these guys I think are located in California. This will go over the, in the back, the rear facing AC cover. That'll be good because my 3-year-old likes to touch everything, and I did lock that too, so he can't touch it. Alright, what do we have in here? It's kind of like a screen protector for your phone. This is for the instrument cluster, where it sits right behind the steering wheel. Nicely coated, and for obvious reasons you got to keep it dust free. And then this is for the main screen itself. I actually don't know how big it is. I want to say it's about 10.5 inches, but it's huge. Put that up here, and then we got some other items here. Patch, dust absorber fibers. My wife was asking if we needed alcohol. I said no, I think we got it covered. It'll probably be under the wet wipes. And this is maybe a makeshift squeegee. And I guess you can get a free $10 gift. I don't know. I don't really participate in those. Alright, let's get into it. This is pretty cool. So I'm using the glass, and I have this suction cup device that goes to the GoPro, and so that's how I'm mounting the camera right now, so I can have a nice view here. Let's take a look at that. Alright, should I turn down the AC? Yep, sounds good. Alright, so I probably need to find the instructions. Before installing, please watch this. Okay. I hope you're wishing me luck. Ow, I got a cut. Alright, let's see how easy this is. Videos always make it look so easy. I can see.
I can write this down. So far, it's pretty easy. I'm not sure if I'm thoroughly removing the dust and cleaning the screen, but it looks pretty darn clean to me.
And he said don't slide it, but oh, it's getting hot in here. I turned off the air conditioning. I didn't actually see that being used, but I thought I'd give it a try. Oh, it's like a brand new screen here. Interesting. So at the bottom there's kind of a bezel. These would have been handy, but I don't think they were very useful. I ended up having to line it up by eye here. Yeah, you can see a bezel. Now let's turn the air conditioning back on. Ooh, that was hot. I feel good about that. Okay, next we have to do this here. The question is, can I mount this here? And if I do, will it fall on me or hit my head? Alright, so we'll rinse and repeat and do the same thing all over. I did this, and you kind of bend it here. You do that, then you can get without touching the screen. And this is not a touch screen, so you don't want to touch the screen either way. And they tell you to daub it, don't drag it. I did what I could. I'm not too picky. I'll live with it. What do you think? Does it pass your standards? I mean, I have dust here, so I think I did pretty good overall. Then finally we got to do the one in the back so little fingers don't get all over it.
There's definitely a lot more dust in the back. I think overall I am happy.
I have to hand it to him. TW Wraps did a terrific job. It's currently installed. You can see the bezel right around here, and there are not any air bubbles. Honestly, I've installed different phone screens, had multiple troubles in the past. This was so easy to install, and I had one bubble here I was able to work out. You got to spend the 60 bucks and do it. They have a QR code, opens up the video. It's super easy to do, and they give you all the supplies you need. And even installing the device in the back, the one in the back was quite simple as well. So heck yeah, I give them 9. I give them 10 stars. So they're asking for 5. I'll give them right down here. They're asking for 5 stars. I'll give them 10 stars. and definitely I would refer you to this product. Someone was asking about my handy dandy little phone holder here, and yeah, for sure, I like this accessory. It's a nice little accessory, and you can also take it off of here. It pulls off. And then I'll put it right back. And I can provide links if anyone's interested in these. But I set it up because my phone can go this way. You can rotate it. And I have a little pop socket device on the back, so I kind of have to move this around, and it works out really well there too. We installed T-Wraps protection on our screens.